Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how solar panels are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Covering millions of square feet, this plant represents the dawn of a new era in sustainable manufacturing.
Solar panels are made from carefully selected raw materials designed for efficiency and durability.
Tempered glass protects the solar cells while letting sunlight reach them.
These materials now move into production to become solar panels. What you're about to see starts with raw materials caloric and ends with clean energy for the world. This is how solar panels are made inside a modern factory.
Welcome to the future of clean energy. We are proud of the precision and efficiency our team achieves every day.
The scale of this operation allows us to meet global demand. Every robot is synchronized.
Begins by preparing raw silicon for wafer slicing.
Once prepared, the wafers move on to advanced processing. Each wafer is carefully treated to maximize efficiency and performance. Now the wafers move into the core transformation stage.
Precise control ensures consistent quality in every batch.
Here, the solar cells are treated to ensure reliable energy performance. The solar cells are now sealed to become durable solar panels.
The finished solar panels now move to final quality checks and distribution.
From raw materials to clean energy solutions, solar panels are built for a brighter future. These solar panels will soon deliver clean energy around the world.
Another day, another megawatt.
We're really making a difference out here. Couldn't agree more. Ready for that cold one.
And that's how solar panels are made in Italy, from start to finish.